Alright, science, cells, tissues, organs, systems. All about cancer. Who doesn't like cancer? I don't like cancer. Do you like cancer? Possibly.
Not really.
Okay, fine, no. Alright, first a little review. What are cells? Cells are what make up every living organism on this planet, as you might know. This is all grade 8 stuff, you should know this. Cells combine together to make tissues, organs, systems, specialized or not. There are 5 characteristics that determine whether something is a living thing or not, which this would include cells. Organisms grow, reproduce, and repair themselves. Organisms react to changes in their environment. The organisms require energy. Organisms have a lifespan, and organisms are all made up of cells, unicellular or not. Alright, now, main topic, cancer. Cancer is a genetic cellular disorder where cells just start growing and abnormally fast, and then they start eating other cells to form tumors and spread to other parts of the body and eventually kill you. And yeah, they might create tumors actually, because some things like leukemia don't need to make tumors and will just multiply abnormally fast and overrun all of your cells, and will cause unwanted side effects, which you might have heard one side effect, something called death. Not sure if you've heard of it or not, but it seems to happen quite a lot. Okay, little equation here. Alright, first equation, cancer equals bad. Yes, obvious. Now, second equation. Okay, first I have to explain the pictures. Here is a little cancer cell that multiplies, and see, you have these 2 bumps there, that means they're multiplying. Does anyone know what this is? Yes, you. Anyone? Yes.
A tumor.
No, that's...
Finger?
That's that. That would be a tumor. That's...
Eye?
What?
A leg?
No. No. You? No. That's what I thought it was too.
A lung?
Yeah, that's someone's lung. I think someone's right lung. No, that's someone's left lung actually. It's rotted, and here you have lung cancer tumor, which is surprisingly white, fills up the entire space, and yeah, the guy's probably dead. So, this guy, probably. So, in second equation, cancer cells equals tumor, tumor equals death. Or, for another simpler equation, cancer cell equals death. Get it? Alright, next. Alright, getting cancer. Not sure why you want to get it. Alright, cancer cells exist in every person's body, which means all of you have cancer. But those cells are neither threatening or detectable, which means, yeah, whenever you get tested for cancer, they are not detectable until they have multiplied to a few billion. Cancer is severe, caused by many of the same things that other infections or sicknesses occur, which would mean weak immune system. Alright, lifestyle, food and nutrients, and obviously genetics, and the environment all tie into cancer, well, whether you have cancer or not. Okay, the most basic form to get rid of cancer is radiation and chemotherapy. It's a very common way to, main word being try, to kill off cancer, even though it's not really reliable. And next thing, because it may fail, it could mutate the cells, especially cancer cells, so they're even harder to kill than they were before, and are actually more resistant to whatever they were exposed to, either one. And yeah. Now, but there is one other cure that only requires willpower and some resources. Cancer cells, like other cells, need energy because they live and stuff, yeah. So, cut off the energy, you kill the cancer. The best way to starve them all, but this isn't deadly to you since your body cells do eat other things other than what cancer cells eat. Now, starving cancer. This is the most important one. Sugar. Sugar. Cut off the sugar and kill cancer, but yeah, sugar's amazingly hard to stop you from. Cutting off this one is one of the best ways to starve them. In fact, even sugar substitutes like, Splenda are made from this harmful ingredient called asprophetamine or something like that. And yeah, those are harmful because they're artificial. So only natural sugars like Manuka honey, I'm not sure if you've heard of it, I never heard of it either, but those are the only good ways to get it. And they also feed on mucus. You know, snot, stuff comes out of your nose, stuff that lines the internals of your stomach, your gastrointestinal tract. So yeah, you have boogers in your stomach. And you know, that feeds cancer, and so you shouldn't, whenever you have cancer, you shouldn't be making mucus, which means don't go close to milk. Milk causes the body to create mucus, so instead try drinking unsweetened soy milk, even though I wouldn't really drink it myself, so I'm glad I don't have cancer anymore. Sorry. Screw me anymore. I didn't say anything. Acidic environments support cancer. These are caused by many things. Caffeine, meats. Cancer cells are full of protein, so you don't really have to eat any meat. Toxins, dioxins, I'm not sure what the difference is there. Stress and negative emotions like anger and bitterness. Sorry, you angry people, you're going to get cancer. Fresh, to counter cancer. Fresh raw vegetables, whole grain seeds, nuts, and vegetable juice do help ease the body into alkaline environments, contrary to acidic, which means opposite, if any of you didn't know. Certain vitamins make the body build up enzymes, which can attack the protein coats that cancer cells use to protect themselves, and then kill their cells, which will just basically finish them off once the coat's gone. Or the other ones will cause apoptosis, which means cell suicide, programmed. And then there's the most obvious one. Oxygen stunts the growth of cancer, somehow. I don't know how they live without that. Exercise or even deep breathing will get oxygen down into the cellular level in your body, which means that they won't eat as much. Okay, everyday steps. I'm going to be hypocritical about this since I wouldn't do that because I don't like them. Anyway, don't freeze your water bottles, especially in the summer, because they release dioxins into your water. Especially conventional plastic water bottles. Plastic containers, including the ones found in prepackaged food, are dangerous in the microwave, especially with high-fat food, because, well, once the fat's frozen, then the dioxins are frozen in there too when they start mixing in, and once the fat goes to your cells, then, well, you're poisoned. And plastic covers like saran wrap and wrap, basically, still have the same effect as plastic containers, so cover them with a paper towel or something. And that's it.